If you're watching this, you're probably a WNTH engineer. And if you're wondering how, we're going to show you. Ow.
Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting.
No food and drink is allowed in the studio, and preferably there's only 3 people in the studio at a time, as we have 3 microphones. But if you have a 3 DJ show and you have a guest, I guess you can share a microphone. Headphones, wear them in studio, or else Miss A will get mad.
When you're using microphones in the studio, you want to get about a fist distance away from the microphone and talk at a normal volume.
The proper station ID is WNTH Winnetka, and it should be used at least once an hour. Alright, so if something goes wrong, you should have the DJs call you, so you make a sign with your phone numbers that is hung up in the radio room, and if this problem's easily solvable, then you just tell the DJs how to solve it. If not, contact Miss A or Mr. Hill. Alright, you're going to use this white box in case of emergency. If radio DJ or anything else in the studio stops working, you're going to switch to this on the soundboard, which is going to be WFP. You're going to turn that on, and that's what you want. Okay, now we're here to learn about the control console. These are going to be all your different inputs. This is going to be how you turn on a different input and you turn it off, as it says on and off. This is for mic 1, mic 2, and mic 3. This is mic 1, that is mic 2 over there, and that one is mic 3. Turntable is the one that you turn on to use the turntable. WFP, we talked about that. That's your backup option. Radio DJ is what we are normally broadcasting on. It's going to be what's connected to the computer. So right now we're listening to Radio DJ, and program 1 is always what's broadcasting. If you want to preview something, so say I wanted to listen to WFP right now in the room, but I don't want it to play on it. I don't want it to be broadcasted. I would turn on program 3, so we're listening to program 3 in the room, but program 1 is still what's broadcasting. Then I'm going to turn on WFP, slide up to the black line, and now we're listening to, right here, Ethan, now we're listening to WFP. But now we don't want to listen to that, so we're going to turn it off and put it back on programs 1 and 2. We're going to go back to listening to Radio DJ on program 1, and then this monitors. This is how you turn up the volume in the room, and then headphones would be how you turn it up in the headphones.
Alright, this is a turntable for the station. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is place the record right on the platter. You can lift the needle, drop it right on the first song. You could also use these 3 buttons. This one lifts it up. When you press it again, it drops the needle. The start and stop buttons, the start button drops the needle on the first song automatically, and the stop button will make the needle return to its holder. This button is to alternate the speed, so if you're using a 45, which is one of the smaller records, you click this, which speeds it up, and usually you should be on 33. Alright, so this is Radio DJ, the program you're going to use to play music. This is going to be stuff that all DJs should know, not just the engineers. So up here, it's going to be the song playing currently with the title and the artist. You've got the play button, which plays the next song in the queue. So if I click it now, it's going to play this song right there. This is the restart button, which starts the track from the beginning. Pause button, press it once to stop the song, and then press it again to resume the song. This is the stop button, which will stop the track and the playlist entirely until you click the play button again. This is the loop button, which will play the song selected on a loop indefinitely. This is the search area. It's got the library of songs. You can search by different categories here, or you can just type in the name of the track you want to play, and it will come up. Other things you should know is over here are a few buttons. You've got Auto DJ right here, and when this is green, the playlist generation will happen automatically, so the next song in the 24-hour playlist will automatically go into the queue. So if this is in the red, the playlist will not be playing. So make sure you keep this in the green along with this button. If this is in the red, the next song won't play when this is done. It'll just stop. So make sure this is on green. Alright, when you're importing music, first you want to find it in the File Explorer. So what we have set up now is it's on this hard drive called Media. And we click on it, we've got a folder for each day or different podcasts or special events that we have. So you just want to locate where the music is that you want to import. And then you'll go to Tracks Manager and click Import right here. And usually you'll do a folder. So you want to import into the correct category and subcategory. The genre doesn't really matter. So click on this folder here. Find where your music is that you want to import. Click on it. And then click Import Directory. And those already exist because they're already in there. But that will import your music into Radio DJ. Alright, now we're going to talk about events. Pardon me. Sorry, that shouldn't be up there. Events are very important because you got your station IDs that you need to play every hour on the hour. So events are located down here. You can click. And so we've got a station ID scheduled every hour. And to make a new event, you click this plus button right here. You can give the event a name, select how often it repeats, and down here is where you schedule the time. So there's the hour, minute, and second that you want the event to play, and up here you select the date. You click on the calendar button and pick the date. You could also make it repeat by day, so it's going to repeat every day at that time. To add the track that's going to play when the event happens, you click the plus button here, and you can either load a specific track, a playlist, or a track from a category. So if you click there, you find the track you want and just click it, and then you add action, and that'll be the event. We're going to talk about tracks rotation next. So you're going to click on Options, and then Tracks Rotation. And this is how we have the 24-hour playlist playing all the time. So right now we've got track from category selected, and the category is going to be music with the subcategory of 2017-2018 season. So we've got the repeat rules on playing all the time. So it's going to select a random track from the 24-hour playlist and load it next into the queue. And that's how we do that. To make a new category on Radio DJ, you click Options, then Categories. And here you've got all your categories, subcategories, and genres. We never really worry about genres, so you just have to worry about these. So to make a new category, you type in the name of the category you want, like whatever, and then you click plus, and that'll make a new category. And then you click on that and type in the name of a subcategory and click plus, and then you've got your subcategory. And then you can load tracks into that and use that for either like tracks rotation or scheduling events or something like that. So like we've got music, podcasts, radiothon, and you can make any other categories you need to.